What is the meaning of the word tumble? As a noun, an acrobatic feat of rolling or turning end over end. As a verb, fall down, as if collapsing. Roll over and over, back and forth. Throw together in a confused mass. Fall suddenly and sharply. Put clothes in a tumbling barrel, where they are whirled about in hot air, usually with the purpose of drying. Suffer a sudden downfall, overthrow, or defeat. Do gymnastics, roll and turn skillfully. Examples of use: the tower of the World Trade Center tumbled after the plane hit it. They tumbled the teams with no apparent pattern. Prices tumbled after the devaluation of the currency. Tumble is spelled T-U-M-B-L-E. Tumble.